Well, in this city update, I'm joined today by Shauna Haslam. She's with the city's Public Services Department, and we're talking about the Cross Creek Stream Stabilization Project. For those who may have been down to Linear Park recently or maybe not be aware, a section of the stream washed out during Hurricane Matthew several years back. It got so bad it actually undermined a section of the trail, washed away some of the asphalt of the trail. The trail had to be closed for that section, and it was actually seriously undermining a building used by Parks and Recreation. So the city started to work and secure funding with the federal government. So it's a $7 million project, and the funding's coming 75% from the federal level, 25% coming from the state. Now, Shauna, can you tell me a little bit about what's going on here today?
So right now, we are in the process of installing some sheet piling, which will help to shore up the bank for Cross Creek. It will also provide some protection for the trail, protection for the buildings at Lamont Street, and like I said, provide protection for the stream bank itself.
Now, I understand some of the engineers talked something about pools and rifling. Can you explain a little bit about that as well?
Yes, so included in the project is some measures to help slow the flow of the water as it enters Cross Creek whenever we have rain events. And that includes the installation of boulder walls, rifles, and pools. And what those devices do is as the water flows into the creek, it helps to slow the flow of the water down and helps to prevent some of that erosion that occurs during the heavier events, and hopefully help properties and help people downstream by, like I said, slowing that flow of water.
Now, it's a long process to get to this point, and it's not necessarily always about the funding. I know there's several other things that had to be done before we could actually begin the construction.
Right, so securing the funding was part of the battle. Also just making sure we have the proper permits in place, because we are working within the stream bank itself. So we have worked to secure the proper permits with the Army Corps of Engineers. We've worked with DEQ just to make sure that we are doing everything that we need to do to stabilize this stream bank, help to restore the flow of the water.
Now, how long is this project expected to take?
So the expected completion date is March 2021 for this project.
Well, Shauna, I want to thank you for coming on and giving an update on the Cross Creek Stream Bank Stabilization Project. I'm looking forward to see it completed, and I'm looking forward to being able to walk on Linear Park again, at least through the whole length of it.
We are too, Gavin. Thank you so much.
And thank you for watching.